In this video, we're going to replace the flaps on a Hayward pool cleaner. You can get these parts in a lot of places. You can probably get them locally or online. I did an online search with my model number, found the correct part number, did some price shopping, ended up buying them on Amazon. I will put a link in the description where you can start your search at Amazon. The flaps have pins on both sides and a spring. To get these out, we're going to use a screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and we're going to gently pry. And what we're going to actually do, the pins, it appears that one is shorter and one is longer. So we're going to look and we're going to see, well, this one's sticking out. I don't know if you probably can't see that, but this one's sticking out quite a bit, and this is not sticking out a bit from the edge. So we're going to start with this one, and we're going to gently pry, and we're not going to just crank like that. We're going to twist the screwdriver. We're going to twist it like this, and gently kind of pull up at the same time, and he is out. The flaps are labeled front and rear. This is a front. We're going to see which pin is longer. Looks like this one's longer, so we're going to start over here. There's a spring, and we want to make sure he indexes in there. So we're going to put him there, and then gently just kind of smush him back in. And there we go. For the rear one, same principle. We're going to identify which one is shorter, and it looks like that pin is a little bit shorter. And this spring, we want to make sure that he lands on that flat spot right there. So we're going to put him in the hole. And then actually, you know what? That one's a little bit shorter. So we're going to start this way. Yeah. So we're going to put him over there. And then we're going to gently, let's see if we can even get that in there. Sorry, I got to change the angle. So it's going to be like that. Get him in the hole. This back one's a little trickier. I'm going to pry a little bit with this guy to get him started. Down in the hole. There we go. We're snapped in. And there we go. Replace the flaps. Very easy. You can do that, and the parts are cheap. I think I paid 15 bucks for the parts. And we are back in business. Hope the video helps you out. If you have any questions, leave a comment, and I will do my best to answer it. Have a great day.